analysis. Now, before we start our weekly analysis, we need to know what are the key levels on the monthly basis, what are the key levels on the weekly basis, and also on the daily basis. So, for which I already drawn all those levels, key support, and same thing I will explain as we continue. So, let us start with the monthly chart. This is the monthly chart in front of us. The monthly support, first of all, monthly pivot, which is calculated based on the previous month's high, low, and close price, okay, which is standing around 1.0761. So, see, if you see, this is the monthly pivot or support. You can see how the price bounced after retracing from previous months. It bounced up to 1.107875 around. So this is monthly pivot. So beyond this, it will be hard time for the price to go down. And this is the monthly support. Okay, current month support, which was resistance for the last month. If you see, the last month closed exactly here, and from there the price retraced to around monthly pivot, current monthly pivot, and from there it bounced. Okay, so our target in the coming weeks will be around to break the resistance, or at least to reach at around this area. See the monthly resistance based on the past month's price action here around. You can see the uh, monthly price reaching up to here, which was support that time, now which is resistance. So in the coming week, what can happen is we reached up to here. Now the monthly candle closed around 1.0992. So from there it will try to retrace around 1.0897, because here this is like a supply zone, so where sellers are uh, ready for selling, and it has triggered now a selling. From here, if you see how the price moved from 1.01075 to 1.0997. So in the current in the next month, in the next week, the price will try to test this area 1.0970 first, which is already nearby, and maximum it will reach around this area. This is where the buyers are waiting, and these are the strong demand zone. We can know this very well when we go to a weekly chart where we have the Fibonacci retracement. From there we can know what is the level we can get. So let us go to weekly chart now. Same way, those are the monthly levels, okay, in red colors. So here we have a blue color which is already marked. This is the weekly support, as I told, 1.0897. So this is where exactly the price can come from here. If you want to see, we can draw a Fibo retracement for last week just to explain how the price can come up to here. In the last week, what has happened was price stopped here. Okay, last week candle stopped here, and it retraced. See the week here, it retraced, it came down, price came down up to 76.40. From there it bounced back again. This is the monthly support, strong monthly support, and this is the monthly pivot. So from here you can see same way we can now try to analyze for current week. So this will be last week, for the coming week. Now if you see the price close here for the current week, and it is likely now selling is still not stopped yet. The supply zone was here, so from here the sellers are pushing the price to its maximum, and the price will come around 76.40. Around this maximum can come, there is a likely possibility, so it may come here also. Why I'm saying it will come here is there is reason. When we'll go to daily chart, then we can see it will come around this area. Okay, so this is the weekly support 1.0897, and this is the weekly pivot. After crossing this weekly pivot, it will go around 200 300 pips higher than this. Maybe it will go around this area. 1 point. Now it will be very hard for to break this level. So it will come. This is the first attempt. It will, maybe it will try two more attempts to break this level, and we still have 2 more weeks to go. So let us see a daily chart so that I can discuss about this, how the price can come here. See here, this is the supply zone from where the seller pushed the price up to here so far, and still we have a chance to reach up to here. If you see, these are the moving averages, exponential moving averages. This is 5 days moving average, this is 10 days moving average, and this is 20 days exponential moving average. So whenever price goes well beyond this, price has to come around this average area. Those are the average price area. So whenever price go way away from the moving averages, again it has to come around this. So if you see, this moving average is standing at 1.0879, and gradually it keeps on increasing unless and until it is broken down. So that will happen in the next month. Maybe it will break like this it will break, maybe after reaching this. When the price will reach here, then price will break and go down again to test last month's support. So here this is the monthly support, which I draw based on the fibo tool. See, 1.0897, and this is around this area it will come, and then again it will bounce to supply zone. It will try maybe 2 more times to break this level, and let us see how. This is the analysis so far, so you can expect this way for the coming week. So if you like my analysis, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get on the weekly basis, or whenever I upload a video on the daily basis, whenever I do my analysis this way, it will reach to you. So thank you for watching.